Welcome back to the channel. Today in Oklahoma, we have some wood chips that we need to spread. So my next door neighbor is an arborist who climbs and takes care of all types of trees, but he also has a very large chipper and a chip truck, and they are always looking for ways to get rid of chips. So he will bring chips to me anytime I ask him. And so I'm very fortunate he's my neighbor. And so he recently dropped off 3 loads of chips. So each of these loads from the ground up are about 5.5 foot tall. There are a lot of chips here. And what I do is I use them to fill in depressions on my property where I don't have dirt or where it's low. I let the chips fall where they may, if you will, pun intended. And then I let God do his work, and he breaks them back down into dirt and gives me organic matter that then I can use. So it's free because my neighbor drops them off. Takes a little bit of work for me to spread them out, but the benefit is it turns into good, healthy dirt in the end that really helped me in growing. So today, as you can see, I have a new bucket on the front of the machine. This is a 66-inch wide skid steer material bucket. It happens to be my neighbor's bucket that he uses on his Ditch Witch 1750. I'm using it today because it's the largest bucket I can get a hold of, and I need to make quick work of spreading these 3 piles. We have some rain coming in this weekend, and I want to get this spread so that it can start breaking down, and plus I don't have to see it anymore. So come along, and we are going to spread these 3 piles of mulch. Okay, well, we got a lot done tonight. I'm losing the light. These lights are doing great, working so well. But hey, this is the end of part 1 of getting all this smoothed out. You saw me drop some in one area, dropped in another area, dropped in the third area, and then I'm leveling all this out. So come back for part 2, and I'll show you how we have it all smoothed out and finished up. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think I should do different. I appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.